The biggest thing that we see at Harper as a pro to using Beck Tech is really the people. The technology is great that they have. They really seem to be advancing their technology in the right direction, and really the people that they have, especially the customer success side, really just seems to be above the rest. Since we started using DESTINI Estimator, we've really started to be able to hone in on some of our conceptual estimating, as well as using assemblies to be more efficient in our estimating. The ability to use the conceptual estimates, especially using the project tab and the dashboards, have really been beneficial for us. As a company overall, we've been more efficient. We have a lot of estimators, pre-construction managers, and even project managers that are involved in Estimator that really allow us to be more efficient. We can crank out estimates quickly, more efficiently, and have a lot of success doing that. I think that the people are the biggest plus for DESTINI Estimator. Even if you were to put all of the software and line it up against others, and even if you said that they were the same across the board, the people at Beck and the people that you talk to, the customer success team, the ability to use Lessonly, all of those are huge factors for us that really put Beck above the competition.